In a major political shift following TIPRA Motha's solo announcement, Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha chaired a high-level BJP Core Committee meeting at the party state headquarters on Monday. The meeting officially signals that the BJP is preparing to contest the upcoming TTAADC elections independently and to make final of the candidate list or may release candidate list by Tuesday. The meeting, attended by top state leadership and core members, focused on the party's strategy for all 28 elected seats of the Tribal Council. The meeting saw the presence of State BJP President Rajiv Bhattacharjee, JS Bipin Debarma, including all the cabinet ministers and MLFs. Sources indicate that the Chief Minister chaired a high-level BJP core meeting to finalize their candidate list and may release by Tuesday. Reporter Paparna from Magatla, Chini Khorang.